Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, checking in on the market, and today's video could be titled Trump's Tweet Saves the Day as far as the stock market is concerned. And that is because the tweet was perfectly timed, not saying it was intentional, but if it were going to be intentional, that's exactly when I would have released it. What we had was the key support levels from yesterday about to be tested. So we started the day with some consolidation. We had support at 270.37 and the low of yesterday, 270.12. There's our two support levels. We saw the sell-off at the end of the day yesterday, and then we started the bullish. We started with a higher open, dropped straight down, and right when we were about to test that low of yesterday, Trump put out a tweet about talking with China and giving potential hope towards a trade deal, which the market would love to see, and that held support by a penny. And then the bulls completely turned it around. If you look at it on the 5-minute time frame, it literally took a clear bear break and shot right up to a new high of the day, and the bulls held control for the rest of the day. So what that gives us, we knew we were looking for 4-hour consolidation. If you turn on extended hours, it gives us a little bull flag. So we topped out, we saw a bearish reversal candlestick. We were about to see more significant consolidation in my opinion, and that tweet, I put out a video years ago called Tweets Moving Trillions, but this tweet stopped the consolidation, said, all right, bull flag is the current setup, and then we got the continuation. And then at the end of the day, we had a bearish reaction to Apple earnings, so the market started to pull back again. So we have a clear hourly higher low pattern to be watching with that double bottom of 270, 37, and 38 as the most important short-term support level for me. And if the bulls can hold that tomorrow, they'll still be holding on just fine. If that level breaks, we're going to look for a bit more significant consolidation. So almost an inside bar today. We did break that high of yesterday at the end of the day convincingly today, but again, a bit of wind taken out of the sails of the bulls with the extended hours pullback that we are currently seeing. So tomorrow morning, I'll be watching the hourly time frame. Can the bulls keep the hourly uptrend in their favor? And what does the volume do once the bell rings? That sell-off volume is not significant because it's happening after hours. Once the bell rings, if we see selling volume, then we're going to be looking down to this 270 level. Weekly time frame for SPY is a big bullish reversal candlestick, and pretty much however it closes tomorrow will be a bullish reversal candlestick, just varying in degrees of strength. IWM on the daily, very strong close. The biotech sector was on absolute fire today. So if you look at XBI on the 4-hour chart, we don't really have any clear consolidation. Well, I take that back. We do have multiple stair steps on the way up, and we weren't in the same scenario as SPY in regards to being overextended in the short term. So we have our higher lows, and then today it was just a significant bull move, the most significant move that we've seen on this bounce attempt, and we have now the daily resistance levels to be watching, and we did break one daily resistance level. The next one's all the way up at 89.74. So in order to change the daily trend now, we need to top out whenever the bulls run out of momentum. They had a lot of momentum into the end of the day, and then we'll need a daily higher low and then continuation to confirm the daily trend has changed. SPY at this point, we're still looking for a lower high compared to 281.15. They'll need the higher low and then the bull break continuation move to prove that the bounce is continuing underway. QQQ, same thing. So let's see the sell-off for QQQ at the end of the day in response to Apple. Significant, but again, still hourly uptrend to be watching. 168.65, we just barely held support. 168.78, and we'll see if that level can hold tomorrow to keep this hourly support intact. 4-hour time frame for QQQ, very brief consolidation, hardly occurred on the 4-hour time frame. So we might be looking for daily consolidation, which would mean just a lower high compared to 178.26. We'll need that higher low and follow through to confirm any kind of daily trend change. XLF, daily inside bar, even tighter, less follow through than the tech sector got today. So a break of 26.22 is an inside bar bear break, and a break of 26.51 is an inside bar bull break for tomorrow. We have a tightening equilibrium pattern to be watching on the hourly time frame, and let's see if it looks better on the shorter term. Take away extended hours to clean it up a bit. Trying to find the best time frame to be watching this equilibrium. Guess the hourly will do it. So we got the high, low the pullback, no clear lower high. It would probably be that same candlestick. So then I zoom into the half hour. So there it is, higher low. So I say the half hour is the best right now. So support is down at 26.30. Resistance is 26.47. So you can either play the inside bar break or zoom in and get some tighter levels that might give some earlier signals. Bullish reversal candlesticks all over the place. Inside bars on XLF. Bullish hammer on QQQ. IWM inside bar currently as well. So we'll see how these weekly inside bars break next week. VIX, even more so, pulling back for this daily equilibrium. You know why I love it if you watched yesterday's video. High, low, lower high. We're looking for that higher low compared to 1706. I expect it to happen soon. I look for a VIX bullish entry potentially tomorrow, and that will mean TVIX or UVXY. Want to see, there's two ways to play this. We want to see a clear support level to utilize. So if we open tomorrow above 1903, that might be our bottom fishing support level. Otherwise, 1706 is our bottom fishing support level, and you better be sure that that's enough risk tolerance that if you're going to use that as your stop, if we were to break that level, that it wouldn't clean you out because that is a 10% pullback. So I'm going to be watching for the potential of a bullish entry. Let's see what we did after hours with the bearish reaction to Apple. I assume we got some kind of bounce going here. And looking at the 15-minute time frame and extended hours, and that's right, we're not going to see extended hours here, but we're looking for a 15-minute trend change to then have a potential bottom fishing play because we are anticipating VIX to give us a daily higher low sooner rather than later and to tighten up this pattern into mid to later November and give us a nice break eventually. So hope you have a good night. We'll continue to check back in as always, and we'll see if any more timely tweets come out, but it does look like that Apple is going to take away some of that tech sector bull momentum and that we might be in for that healthy consolidation, looking for the daily higher low as we head into early next week. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.